This is a GE 545. Would not drain. So you take all this stuff out. Shot back out the water. There's this part here. You can just use a screwdriver with the 1/4 inch thing off. You can take these 2 screws out. Make sure that all that. If you can look right here where I'm pointing, right here is your drain.
That little hole.
Right here. That needs to be cleared out and make sure there's nothing there. There's 2 different pumps on this. There's a circulation pump on this side. There's a drain pump on this side. A lot of your models only have 1. This one has 2. If it will not drain after you do this, I will show you what to do. Pop off your cover from down here. Take out the insulation. There's 2 screws right here that normally hold this on. Pull that out, and I'll show you what to do on the bottom. You can actually take this pump apart, and more than likely there's something stuck inside the fins of that pump. Now, important to know, instead of just replacing the pump, it takes you a minute to take this apart, and you can maybe save yourself 60 to 100 bucks. Pull your dishwasher out. Make sure you unplug it. You'll have to tip it on its side. I left dishes inside. Don't do that. Well, this is your main pump. This right here is the drain pump. There's 1, 2, 3 screws and a little
flange or bracket.
It connects right here to the bottom. That right there is where the hole was. This right here is your drain tube. This could be clogged. I do not think it is. I'm willing to bet there's something inside here that is clogging the propellers on the pump. Make sure you clean all the junk that's in here on the propellers out. Make sure there's nothing in here. I have found bits of coffee mug in here. And food, stuff like that.
Popcorn kernels, lemon seeds.
You can also take this off right here, which I'm about to do, and make sure, a quick test here, and hook this tube up to my shop vac to make sure there's nothing inside the drain. turn it off. Tempted to
He's doing
strip
it
it
by
out.
hand because he says doing it with a screw gun.
You have a tendency to go way too fast and strip it out.
Yeah.
And it's all plastic.
We vacuumed this out just a couple days ago. And then yesterday, found this in the top of the dishwasher. And none of the water was draining. So if your kids are going to help load the dishwasher, this is going to happen from time to time.
If your dishwasher is not cleaning very well, you can take a toothpick,
Little brush.
clean out the ports, shop back them out, because they have a tendency to get clogged if kids or adults put stuff in here.
Food.
Okay. Tip. Make sure you plug this up underneath before you put it back in. It's very aggravating. Alright, let's see if we can run a cycle here. Let's see if it will drain. See, it works.
Okay, we're getting water to it, which was never the issue. If it was, you'd take off that other pump, huh, Daddy?
That's right. You can. It's always good not to put this all the way back in, so you can look underneath, make sure you don't have any water leaking.
Water leaking. In a minute, when this fills up, we'll cancel it and see if it'll drain. Alright, so it's filled up. Nothing's leaking. We're going to press and hold for 3 seconds. And you hear it draining. When it finishes, we'll open it and see if the water came out. I heard
You
some
can hear it
water.
in the drain.
Yeah, drain into the sink, so I feel like it's good. Great job, Brad Averett. We thought we were looking at a $700 replacement for the dishwasher, when in fact we were looking at a, what do you say, 30 minutes?
Twice.
Yeah, we've done it twice now. 30
In and
minutes.
out.
First time there was a piece of plastic or glass in there and some popcorn kernels and stuff. But, you know, you can keep it from happening if you want to supervise your kids. Have a great day.